How to add logo to Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add your logo to your Canva. So if you have also already created some design on your Canva, and you want to add a logo to that particular design, here's what you need to do. So let me just quickly open up my sample design. So let's say I want to include my logo, my own logo over here. So to do that, make sure you have downloaded your logo, and you can simply tap on this upload button over here and just click on this upload file from over here. And once you do that, just head over to wherever you have successfully downloaded that file or logo and simply open it over here. Once you successfully download the logo, you can simply tap on this logo and just drag and drop it over here, and you can actually readjust the position of your logo, and just like that you have successfully imported your logo and adjust it wherever you want. So that's exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.